Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, you like mead, you like cider, do you want to learn how to make it for yourself? This is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Today we're going to go over sanitation and sterilizing your equipment, so stay tuned. Hi, today we'll be talking about sanitation and sterilizing your equipment. Why do we do that? If you spend all your time, all your money, all your passion making a wine and it gets infected and it just gets growth and just nasty stuff growing on it and you have to pitch it, that's kind of disheartening. So it's best to do it right from the beginning. So I will take you today over what I use and my steps on sanitizing my equipment and to make a good wine, cider, and mead. So let's get started. First off, you need to get you some no-rinse sanitizer. There's two choices that I use. This is one step. I got this mainly just because it was on sale. But what I really like better is Star San. I don't have any on there. I got this because I got a good deal on it. But the difference between this one step and Star San, this one step is a powder and you just add the powder to a water. Star San is already liquid and you do, the little, like the mouthwashes, you go and had the little cup at the top and you measure out the exact amount. So you do that and it squirts into the little cup and you just throw it in there. This one you got to measure out a tablespoon per gallon and then stir it up. It's a lot easier to stir up the liquid than the powder. They work the same, just the simple fact that to me seems like the liquid takes care of a step for me. It's easier to turn a liquid into a liquid than a powder into a liquid. You know what I'm saying? And you'll need you a little spray bottle, and I'll show you why. So let's get started sanitizing some equipment. All right, we got this is my primary fermenter, and this is my bottling bucket. Right now, you may not can pick it up on camera, but there's 3 gallons of that sanitizer mixed up, and I'll put my equipment in my bottling bucket. So I'll be using, if I'm going to be using, say, my hydrometer, put it in my bottling bucket, and whatever else I got, a spoon. If you're going to put like measuring spoons, stirring spoons, put them all in your bucket. Now, since the solution is in my primary bucket, this bucket will be sanitized. I might give it a little swirl, and I'm going to transfer it over into my my bottling bucket, and that's where I'm going to be like the staging area for all my equipment. I like, while I'm bottling, I'll have another 5 or 6 gallon bucket instead of my bottling bucket. If my bottling bucket's in use, I'll have a different bucket in use. And what I like, make sure and this is a no rinse sanitizer, so you just put it in there and forget about it. And what I like to do when I'm making my wines, I like to keep it at my feet so I can just reach down and grab whatever I need, and it's in the sanitizer. So I'm going to move this down to here and we'll be right back. All right, so we sanitize every piece of equipment that comes in contact with our must. So now, stuff that's too big, say like the tops, they're too big to fit down in the bucket. That's what the spray bottle's for. You just give it a good spray. I even do top and bottom. And that's good to go. So that's why you have a bottle of Star San. And if you forget to stick it down in the bucket real quick, you can just, like, say, this pair of scissors. I need to real quick and cut open this yeast. I can just and you're good to go. So that's why I like to have also a spray bottle just in handy, just in case. So we'll be back that wrap things up. That's how you sanitize and why you sanitize your equipment. If you like what you see here and you want to help support my channel, there will be links, Amazon affiliate links in the description below, so you get to go get you some sanitizer if you need it. And even if you don't need any, please click that link below. I will get a credit for every purchase that you make, even if it's not what is in the link. And it'll help support this channel to help me buy equipment and ingredients. Also, in the links in the description below, there'll be a link to my Facebook group. If you join there, we can build a community, share tips, tricks, and just get to know one another and have a good time. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.